That's it. Good
Good
morning.
morning. How are you?
Great. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, fabulous. I'm just closing some nice profits. There you go. Two nice profitable trades there. Right? So, what a story on gold the last 24 hours, eh?
Big drop.
Big drop. Yeah. Well, you say big drop and it looks big, right? So I'm going to put up the day chart. So there's your day chart, right? So it's still not down here at 4,098. It could retest that very much. Yeah. So here's the pattern. I'll squash it up a little bit for you. So here we go, right? So there's the peaks in January, £5,700. There's the other one. Here's the drop. We're looking at these now. 23rd of March. Yeah, 4,100, I'll call it. So now it's heading towards that. And it could very much test that. And I think that's where it's going. So it depends on all this news, of course. Is the Fed rate deciding on interest rates at all? So that's
I'm
the thing.
sorry?
I said the Fed will be deciding interest rates. I'm not sure whether it's this month or next month, but we'll address that later. But this is where we're at. So there it is, trajectory downwards. So it looked massive when you look at it on the this bigger time frame, right, on the day. So yeah, and then on the hour, so we got retracement that may come and test it again. But this is where we live in the minutes and the 5-minute candles, right? That's the bigger picture. It's always nice to understand business, but that's what it's doing, right? So where are we with? Here we go. Actually, this Indian gold price has dropped 2% Wednesday, lowest since May, falling below the pre-duty hike levels following a sharp decline in global bullion price. The price correction could boost gold demand, while the second biggest consumer of the precious metal, and lead to higher imports, dealers say. Domestic gold futures. So India is the second largest consumer of gold after China. And the households in India own trillions and trillions of dollars worth of gold, little jewelry, trinkets, and everything else. So big buyers of gold. Good morning, Petra. Morning, Karen. Good to see you, buddy. How are you? Yeah, fantastic. Let's enjoy our trading today. So we're going to go straight over to the AI generated signals that you guys are now trading. So Matteo is going to share the setup to you. Let's refresh and take the next signal, see what it's saying. Actually, I'll walk.
We have some neutral. We're just watching for now. It's not strong sell, not strong buy. It's just neutral. Okay. For now, we just look at it. We don't do anything. No.
Yeah, don't enter the market, right? So the one thing that I'm going to talk to you about right now is this, right? Matthias, you want to get yourself set up? Just want to say something. Finding your guru, okay? When you find a mentor, guru, call them what you like, stick with them. Don't flit around listening to one person, then another, because most of those people are trying to get you to the same place. It's like the satellite navigation in your car. You can set it the shortest route, the fastest route, avoiding toll roads, etc. But all of those will get you there. So we've just been talking about a neutral position on our AI generated signal service. If it's neutral, then stay neutral. It's 8:05. There's lots of time to go. And so there's lots of trading hours to go. Do not let yourself be in the zone of being in a trade at all times. In fact, you want to be out of trades most of the time, because if you're out of trades, then your capital is not at risk. That's your nugget for today, okay? And we'll go back to where we want to be, which is, let me just go here. So that's what the market's doing. And we're not in any hurry. We've got a long, long day ahead of us. Welcome if you're joining us for the first time. Petra, our regular clients, joined us this morning. I can see those two names. And if you want to wish us good morning and say hello and tell us where you're from, that would be really good. If you're joining for the first time, welcome. So we are here from 8 till 10 every morning and 1 till 3 Monday through Thursday. So we open the London session and we open the New York session with you every day. We trade exclusively gold and we follow machine learning signal service that we have set up. And we have a success rate of in the region of about 85 to 90%. So if you want access to the system, get in touch. That QR code there, there's a number up, WhatsApp me or message me here on YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're watching, and we'll try and get to you. Joining the community, booking a consultation, see how it is the way to go. So gold has been steadily declining, which is really interesting from the point of view that we're in a conflict that's over 100 days old now. So we're into month 4 of the Iran and the US conflict. And traditionally gold has gone up when conflicts occur, but nothing's behaving as it should. And it's a very strange phenomenon for gold to be coming down. I've explained many times what the reasons are, and at some point we'll go through those again. But it continues its decline and downward trajectory. So if I show you, so this is the month on month. So this is, so if we look at this, that's the high point, all-time high, 5,600 virtually. War happened on the 28th of February. So this is the month of the war. Still, it came down off its peak, rose back again, and then the last 4 months it's been selling. So that's a picture for you guys in terms of where the market is going. So you're trading this commodity, it's nice to know something about it rather than just pressing the button, right? So that's what's been happening. So the drop, recent drop was 4,000, I've got 4,096, but we'll say 4,100. My personal view is unless some news breaks, I think it's heading for that. I think it's going to retest that. And I sent a slide through about 3 months ago, which was that if it broke the 4,400, 4,200, which is where it's sitting now, it's going to go all the way down to 3,400. So it's going to be an interesting journey for gold in terms of where it goes. Because of course it'll go down to whatever it wants to do, and then probably go all the way up and do an all-time high. Matthias, I'm going to leave that up. What's your view on gold? What are your thoughts? So that's me sharing what I think is going on. What are your thoughts?
I think if we still have that drop, is a potential 4K, but at some point we'll be at 5K, 6K. It's just be on the right direction on the market, and to be like that, we can use the machine learning. You don't need to rely on anything else. And that's it. Just be patient, keep scalping, keep booking your profits. But like you see now, that big drop is coming. We never know if that will be the bottom or if we'll carry on pushing down. But at some point this year, we'll be seeing 5K, 6K again. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah. But look at this. I've not looked at the monthly chart for a little while. You know, that's 4 negative months, right? But if you look at it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months positive. If you take that little bit out, 8, 9, 10, literally a year, every month was positive, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to get some retracement, aren't you? And the war isn't helping. I don't think it would come down as far if oil prices weren't as high. And the Fed was fully expected to cut rates this year. Now they've already factored in a rate rise. So interesting times that we live in. So there's your hours, and of course they look silly when you do it on this time frame from there.
And as you can see, we had a buy. I still look at it as neutral because the buy is not too strong and the price is dropping. As you can see, that buy went straight away to stop loss. That's why it's important for you to be waiting for the right trading cards. Okay, don't keep rushing, don't go for it straight away. Look at the numbers and respect it.
Yeah, and be guided by Mateus. You know, the one thing you don't do is enter a buy on a downward facing candle. So that candle's red, you'd never ever press a buy. Okay, you need wait for it, and vice versa. If it's going up, you never press for a sell. Now, what we want to do is we hear a lot of mixed stories. And yesterday, you know, Kieran joined us, and I just asked him about where things were. He said it was part of another Telegram group and kept losing money and blah blah blah. It'd be interesting to hear at some point, you know, what support we might get, because pushing out signals is one thing, but actually educating and understanding why we do that is another story altogether. And that's the context that Mateus and I try and put to you guys for 4 hours a day, is add some context to it. Little nuances. Don't enter buy if the market's if the 1 minute candles are coming down, right? Because that could land anywhere. Okay. I personally think it's heading for that 4,000. Let's see. It's broken 4,200. It's heading for that 4,100 it hit the other day, which is there. Yeah, I think it's heading for this, maybe a bit lower than that. Right, like I said, news can change it, so don't be pressing the sell button, right? Just because Cam said it's going to do this. No idea. We're just analysing the market, as it were, and what our thoughts are. Because one of the most important things whilst we do this education, and I'm going to share something with you that my wife has been a trader for about 5 years, full time. Made money, lost money, made money, lost money, made money, lost money, etc. The whole journey of every trader. Didn't have this system, yeah. Yeah, so they only gave signals and never explained why I think was going. Sorry, why they think I was going to where said blah 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 9 times out of 10. Yeah. So this is the thing, isn't it? This is the context. And is this helping you, Kieran? I know it's your first morning here. I think you maybe joined us yesterday, but is this helping you? Is this the way, you know, that you can improve your trading? Because my own trading's improved immensely because we sit here for 4 hours a day. As I said, just as I came on the call, I closed 2 profitable trades. I closed 2 profitable trades before that. So, you know, if I don't do another trade today, that's fine. And I think that's the problem with signal providers, is they're just cold signals. And the other thing is, a lot of the times they are just guessing where they go. And I showed you, and Mateus, interrupt me if there's a decent signal or you want to, you know, talk about something else. But
yeah, we're still in very low buy. It's not strong enough. That's why keep talking. If I see something, I will stop you.
Yeah, because I'm going to share one of our other screens with you guys. That's why. So, you know, when we are talking about the service that we offer, there's so much behind it. So this is a back office view of where that is. So I'm going to do, gold 7 days, all ETFs. So in the last 7 days, this is a current updated version of what we actually got. Okay. So, and I'll tell you what these resolved trades and TP trades, etc. are. So on all time frames, 86 resolved trades, 86 cards were pulled down. Right?
Do you want to share that, Cam?
You're not sharing yet. Sorry. I thought I'd already. No, I'm sharing that. Yeah.
Now it is.
Okay. So this is the last 7 days for gold, all TFs, 86 resolved trades. And I'll try and explain to you what this 82 TPs and 4 stop losses. Okay. Accuracy 91.2%. Okay. Now, yesterday's put, this is just yesterday. So 38,992 signals were pulled from the system. So every time you press a button, it analyzes where that goes. Okay, so yesterday, nearly 39,000 times the button was pressed. TP1 accuracy is 91.2%. Okay, so TP1s we'll do yesterday. Why is it disclaimed? Let me see if all TFs are. Where am I? Let's see if that changes. That should not be naught. Because it just, I just zeroed it for some reason. Okay, let's do a wider view. So resolve trades 2. That's what. Don't know. TP5. Let's do TP5. Let's do that. And that's the time frame that. So TP5 in the last 7 days. That's probably what I wanted. Did I want that? Yeah. I don't know how to interpret these figures, so I'm not going to do it. I'm only going to do the 7 days because at least I know what I'm doing there. So I'll get some more context to what's going on in terms of where we are. That's TP4s at all. There you go. So there's your stats in terms of what's going on, right? You could have more SLs than that, or you could have more profits than that, because obviously it's very, very individual. But TP1 accuracy was 91.2% over the last, again, we're still updating the system over the last whatever number of days, or maybe those trades are pulled out. Matthias, have you got a better idea of interpreting this?
No, I didn't use that much. I'm just using the trading cards.
Well, there's your trading cards, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So there's the actual trading cards. So this is every single one of them. So time frame is there, 1 hour. 1 hour. So you see that. So this is every trading card that was done yesterday. That's minute 5 minutes. Stop out. So it records everything. Records absolutely everything in terms of what was hit. So as you get used to the system, as we get used to the system, remember, I'm relatively new to it. Mateo's got a little bit more experience. This will get better and better and better.
Oh, and we have a sell. We have a sell.
Okay.
Yeah. Check your trading cards. If you refresh with me, you have a sell. It's a green candle. Just wait a little bit. Wait for the right range.
Mm-hmm. So Kieran, you clearly, as we spoke yesterday, you clearly know how to trade. It's just getting good quality information, isn't it, to act on? And like you said yesterday, getting your head around takes time. Lot size might not be quite right. Maybe you're not traded gold before, but bro, 13 TPs out of 16 is awesome. It's absolutely awesome. Yeah. And that's what we want to see. We want to see you profitable. And what did it feel like, Kieran, to make that profit? You know,
it's going towards TP1. Prepare yourselves. You know what to do. And we scalpers, we are in and out. You book your profits, and that's it. First step is press the button, put your stop loss. Second step is now book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. We approach the market always the same way. It will be easy for you to do that mechanical approach, okay?
And don't do that every day. Do what you did yesterday every day. And don't put your lot sizes up. Don't get excited. Just repeat yesterday. Okay? Repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. That's all you need to do. Yeah. 13 TPs. Fantastic. Well done. Yeah. And as he says, it was great to actually see results, right? And that's what we want. That's what we want. We want results for you guys. Trade and be profitable. Okay? Profitable traders. That's what we're looking for.
It's still on that range. You keep holding there.
Just going to put your chart back up.
Yeah. Remember, if it's 5 minutes is too fast for you, you can use the 15 minutes, half an hour or 1 hour, okay? We always, on the sessions, we can use the 5 minutes. It's going up a little bit, it's still on the range. Make sure you have your stop loss. You refresh on the same time I refreshed. Don't keep refreshing to get a new one. Use only the one we refresh on the time, okay? As you can see, that went nearby our TP. It's coming back now. If you book some profits, nice. If you are break even straight away when you are in profit, you are out at break even. If you're still on the trade, book your profits as soon as you're in profit, okay? You have 2 opportunities to enter. If you want to enter twice, you can enter twice, but be mindful of that, okay? You need to see the range, wait for that. If it's a green candle, we are selling. Wait for that green candle to go all the way up before you press the button, okay? Then you have a better entry. If you hit your break even, you're out. If you put your stop loss and didn't book any profits, you'll be on your stop loss. But we have been nearby TP1. That means you need to move your stop loss to break even, okay? Protection is the key. Keep doing that over and over. Now it's dropping. It's more than TP1 now. And it's going down, TP2. If you didn't take TP2 because you went to break even, it's absolutely fine, okay, guys? And refresh. If you want to give more room for the trades, you need to use your hard stop. The hard stop will be 40 pips, 30 pips above the stop loss. And if you sell again when we refresh, we are ready. TP1, as you can see, 5 minutes passed. You need to keep looking on your clock. As you can see, TP1 is straight away on that one. You know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even, book those profits. Let me know if you refresh with me and book those profits. If we break, still going down, let's see. It's coming back to break even, the last one. Scalping in and out. If you want to give more room for your trades, use the hard stop. If you want to use the stop loss, make sure as soon as you can, in both of ways, move your stop loss to break even as soon as you are in profit. And book those profits. Don't leave the money there. It's going towards GP2 now. See if we can break it. Yeah. If you're still holding from the top, you have nice profits now. You have runners from the top one, have nice profits. Nearly GP2. That didn't went to your entry point. It's going down. Remember, the numbers will be different. We refreshing in different time. Every second will change the numbers. That's I give you the perspective of what I'm seeing on mine. But I will not share the numbers because some of you don't have machine learning. If you don't have, you need to be on the Telegram community on the VIP group. Okay. And if you have the machine learning, if you're generating your trading cards, try to do on the every 5 minutes. Okay. Every time we change the candle, you press the button. You have 30 seconds to press the button every time that we change the candle. But one thing is, don't keep pressing the button all the time, okay? You need to press the button on the right time every 5 minutes. It's coming back. Let's see if it retraces to the entry point. For now, you need to have your break even and book some profits. We went nearby GP2. Let's refresh again. It's time to refresh. Prepare yourselves. It's yourself, guys. It's a green candle. You know what to do. Just wait for that retracement. Wait for the best entry on when you refresh, you see the numbers. Wait for that best enter and go for it. As you can see, the green is still going up. I'm still waiting for that best entry, okay? Don't go straight away. It's going to the best entry on my trading card. It's going towards the best entry now. Just be patient and wait for that entry, okay? Then you can have more pips and you can protect yourself as well. As you can see, it's more opportunity. If you are patient, you have more opportunities. That price went all the way to the top of the range and is dropping. Now you can book some profits. If you enter straight away on the top of the range, you can already book some profits. It's not at TP1 yet. It's near. Yeah, TP1. Book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. TP2 straight away, guys. From the top of the range to TP2, book your profits. Now you need to be break even, okay? Stop loss, it's not stop loss anymore, it's break even. You're risk free now. Move your stop loss to break even. Let me know if you book some profits. That was nice one. We had time to enter on the top of the range and came back straight away to TP2. And if you are out at break even, absolutely fine. It's a break even, it's not a stop loss, it's not a hard stop. Okay, you're just out of the trade, absolutely fine. Remember, we'll be able to refresh again. Don't keep chasing, okay? We'll be able to refresh again in another 1 minute. Just wait, we refresh and we go again. If it's a sell, strong sell, we go for it. If it's a buy, strong buy, we go for it. It's retracing now. It's not at break even yet for me. Okay, now it is. As you can see, if you go for break even, it's protecting yourself. We went for TP2, book those profits, okay? Don't leave the money there, book your profit. And as you can see, 20 seconds. Let's prepare to refresh. Having your trading card, your trading view, prepare yourself properly, and we go for it again. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's still a sell. It's still a strong sell. It's a red candle. You can press the button and or wait for the entry, okay? We are on the range. We are on the range. What you need to do, you press the button, you put your stop loss, and now you prepare to taking care of your trading, okay? You have the range, you can wait for the best entry, or you can press the button and go for it and prepare yourself to go for the best. Thing on the trading is booking your profits. Now, let's see. Don't overthink. You're doing the trading parts. If the number is higher, go for it. Okay, don't overthink. Okay, prepare to book your profits. TP1, move your stop loss to break even and book those profits, please. TP1 is straight away. If the trading card is strong, don't overthink. Go on the range, press the button and book your profits.
So we have another big selling hour, as you can see. So that's on the hour candle now, our chart. And
Massive.
It's coming down. That's on the hour chart. What do you want to see? Okay, that's the hour chart. There you go. I think it's going to test that again, isn't it? Without any news. Yeah.
As you can see, the price is coming back to that range.
Let's give you
on the 1 minute. Came back. If didn't take you on the break even, absolutely fine. If it took you out, it's protecting yourself. Okay, you don't need to worry. If you're still on the trade, great. If you're not, you book your TP1 and that's it. We wait another 2 minutes and we'll be able to refresh again.
I just need to move my car, guys, so give me 5.
Okay. If you're still on that, great. If you're not, you book your profits. Don't have the FOMO to press the button again, okay? Don't have it, please. It's going towards TP2. If you're still on the trade, great. If you reach your break even, great as well, because you're learning how to protect yourself, okay? Even if that goes to TP 100, you don't care. You're learning the mechanical approach. You're learning how to protect yourself. That's TP2. TP2, if you're still holding, I am. It's going down. Let's see, 40 seconds. We'll be able to refresh again. That's the power of it. We will be able to be on the trading again if it's strong. If it's still a strong sell, we go for it, okay? Prepare yourselves. The key is to have your trading view. You can see that graphic bigger, and also having your machine learning red to refresh, okay? Because I cannot give you the numbers, you need to use your numbers. As you can see, it's still a strong sell. I can guide you through it. We can sell again. Candle is green. Be patient. Go on the right time, on the right probability. Look for that range that you have and place the trade on that range, okay? When the candle is green, we're selling. I always wait for the best range, okay? The best entry possible. I don't rush. Especially in scalping now, you don't need to rush, okay? You see the things, you press the button, mechanical approach. Some of you will think, oh, but we need to press the button quick, otherwise we'll be out. Scalping. Yes, but you still have time to think, okay? You still have time to decide. You don't need to be in all of them. Now, as you can see, it's going towards the best entry. When I refresh, it's going towards the best entry. And also, if it keeps pushing, we'll go to your stop loss. Protect yourself. Keep your stop loss there. If you want to use the hard stop, absolutely fine. You can use your hard stop, or you can combine as well, use between the hard stop and stop loss. That sometimes I do, okay? But you need to find your way. I will tell you when I'm using my hard stop. I use not often, but sometimes I will use it. Price came back all the way to the top of that range, is dropping now. If you wait for the best entry, you did the right thing. Especially when it's a green candle, okay? We are selling, it's a green candle, you wait. If it's a buy, it's a sell candle, red candle, you wait as well, okay? What you need to do, you press the button, you put your stop loss. What's the next thing we do? And we really like to do it, is book your profits. Go for it. TP1, book your profit. Nice one. It's going towards TP2. You can put your stop loss at break even. It's a risk-free trading now, okay? Put your stop loss at break even. Let's make that a risk-free trading. Book your profits. If you wait for that best entry, you got a very good entry. And now you have the profits. Please book those profits. We're going towards TP2. We are TP1. Surpass TP1 now. Remember, book your profits. Don't leave money there. That can retrace and get you out of it. If it's getting you out at break even, perfect. If it's not, you're doing something wrong, because then can go straight away to your stop loss, hard stop. We never know, okay? That's why we press the button and we protect ourselves. We approach always the same way. On that way, we're protecting ourselves, okay? It's nearly TP2 already. It's retracing now. Just be mindful of that. Put your stop loss at break even. If you're out now, if it's coming on your break even, perfect. You did the right thing. You book your profits and you are out at break even. You're not waiting for a stop loss, or you're not waiting for hard stop. You're doing the right thing. You can always refresh again, as you can see, and then you can sell again. You have the range. As you can see, the range is a little bit higher. If you refresh before, maybe it will be the same range as before. But for me, it's a little bit higher. I will be waiting now, okay, for the best range, the best entry. As you can see, the candle is green. I will be patient on that one, because I refresh a little bit late. I don't like to do that. You need to refresh on the right time, okay?
Don't you just love this market? Sorry, Matthias?
Some TPs already. We got some TPs.
We're in the business of TPs.
TP1s, nearly TP2s, and then break even. But right now, it's a possibility to another profit. Yeah, if you got on the last one, you'll be at TP1 on that drop. I didn't. I was waiting for a better entry. As you can see, sometimes you need to go for it, and that's it. But was TP1 already. Price is retracing, you'll be out at your break even. Okay, if you book your profits, you'll be out at your break even. Another 2 minutes, we refresh again and we go for it. Remember, if 5 minutes is very fast for you, use the another time frame. You have the 50 minutes, you have the half an hour, and you have the 1 hour. You can use those as well. Then you have a big range, you have more time to place your trades, and it's not in and out like 5 minutes. If you still hold that one, if you didn't wait your break even, you are at TP2. Okay, I don't know, I didn't place that one. I missed that one, TP2. Okay, let's go. If you're ready for action, again, another 10 seconds. Get your machine learning red. Having your trading view open. And go for it. Don't overthink. It's dropping. What you need to do when you refresh, you need to be faster, and press the button, okay? When you refresh, if you see it's on the range, you press the button. That went straight away to TP1.
Unbelievably quick, isn't it?
It's quick, yeah. Sometimes you need to be very fast. If you refresh, if you see the candle is red and is on the range, press the button and book your profits. That went straight away to TP1. That's why I'm telling you, if 5 minutes is very fast for you, go for the 50 minutes, half an hour or 1 hour. But we love 5 minutes. We have a lot of opportunities, and it is easier as well. If you really like to be on the market, if you really like to scalping, 5 minutes is great.
So you're still selling, right?
Yeah, it's still selling. It's still a strong sell.
Yeah.
Came back to TP1 again. If you didn't book your profits, if you press the button, book your profits now. Then you can book TP2 as well. Book your TP2 as well. Now I'm in. Okay, book your TP3 now. Book your TP3 now, guys. Great one. Don't overthink. If the candle is red and the market is dropping, you know what you need to do. Press the button. TP4. TP4 now, guys. We're going towards TP5. Let's see if we have TP5 on that one.
I'm going to give you the 5 minutes because it's dropping, so we can see that better. You can see it. That's probably the range it's heading for. So it's surpassed this one. Always look to the left. So the clue is here now. It's going to be heading for that. Look how solid that 5 minute candle is.
Yeah. It's going towards TP5 now, guys. Please book your profits. Move your stop loss to break even to TP1 now, TP2 if you want. But book your profits, okay? Remember, the candle was red. We press the button. We go for it, okay?
Okay, so I've moved my stop loss to break even. So this is known as a free trade.
Yeah.
So the worst that can happen is I break even on that trade. So that's protecting your account at all times.
Retracing, guys. If you didn't book your profits, please do so. Don't wait that to retrace to book your profits, okay? TP4 on that one. I still think it's a strong sell. Let's see if we keep pushing down and we go to TP5 and more. Another 30 seconds, we'll be able to refresh. Get ready. Don't overthink. Go for it, okay? Get ready for action. Again, TP4 is going towards TP5. If you refresh, you know what you have. You just wait for that green candle to go where you want to go and press the button, okay? It's still a strong sell. It's still a strong sell. Just be mindful, could be a retracement. Wait for your best entry. If you enter already, protect yourself. You need to have your stop loss, okay? He's still on the range. He's on the best range now, the best entry point.
So a little reversal that you can see on the 5 minute candle down.
Yeah.
the lovely thing about the system is we don't have to guess anything. We don't have to guess, is it going to retrace back? The system is giving us the probability of what it's going to do next. So just stick with the plan and don't go off piste. Better not to be in a trade than to be in a losing trade.
If you enter on the top of the range, you know what you need to do now. Your stop loss at break even is in profit. Protect yourself.
If you look on the hour there, so it's hitting the top of those two candles there. So that will either become support or it'll go through. It's been through once, the wicks there. So it's aiming, I think, for down here somewhere. How do you read that one, Mateus? I know you like the 4 hour, so there's your 4 hour.
Yeah, the 4 hours could be a fall, could be going all the way to the bottom of that range again. As you can see, book your profits again, guys. TP, nearly TP1.
Money on the table.
Nearly TP1. If you enter on the top of the range, amazing, great for you. If you had the patience, now you need to make that trade risk-free. If you have two entries, one on the top, one on the bottom, you can protect even more yourself. Eliminate the bottom one, keep only the top. But now it's time to book your profits. As you can see, if you left the money there, it's coming back all the way to your entry point again. On the 4 hours, I can see a falcon. I can see like that is going, if we keep pushing out, could go down. 1 hour. Let's see if we will push to 41.74 again on that bottom of the range. As you can see, price is going up. You should be at break even. Okay, don't leave your trading open. That could be a retracement. You don't want to be at stop loss when you had money on the table. Okay, scalping, we are in and out.
Snipers.
Yeah. Snipers.
With a sniper squad.
I hope you got that on the top. You book your profits and you out. Remember, protect yourself. Break even. As soon as you're in profit, break even. And then you don't risk. You de-risking all the time and you protect your capital and you make the profits.
And the next hour is starting, so you don't know. So here's the time to press the button now.
Yeah, we're always talking about the hour. Could be
still
could be a retracement on the hour. Yeah. It's still selling.
Yeah.
Not as strong as before, but because we have been selling all the time, is a good entry. It's a good trading, guys. TP1, TP2. And now we will have the 79. Let's see. That will be the TP3. If we go to 79, will be the TP3, guys. TP3, book your profits, guys. That only was the retracement on the hour, was a very tiny one. Sometimes can be bigger, but that was tiny. As you can see, TP3.
What's it going to do? So we still had a sell at 66% of green light on the last 5 minutes. There you go.
Yeah. That's TP4, by the way. TP4 can.
Yeah. Beautiful.
That is coming back to 72.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. TP5. Please let me know if you book nice profits on that one. Don't overthink. Press the button. And
take the money off the table.
Take the money.
Take the money. Look at that. What did we say?
Yeah.
Let's come all the way down here. Let's see what she does now. I don't know. What do you think? Is it going to go through? Look at that.
I'm not sure now. Now we wait. We are on the bottom of that range, as you can see on the day as well. If we break through it, will be a selling day.
This is the next one now.
Yeah,
but that is actually it's only $100 away.
If we break it, that will be a selling day. And remember, we have some news today as well at 1:30. Wow, book more profit, guys. If you're still holding some, nice. Now is the time to have your runners. Now is the time to have some runners and leave that. Okay.
Beautiful.
You have a very good entry. Now is the time to have the runners. Easy. Easy money there. That was
easy.
So fast.
Here we go. Took some more profit off the table.
Yeah, I did the same. I have some runners now, and that's it. Well done, guys. Let us know if you Kiran, you can book partials if you have a decent account. If you're doing 0.01, you need to have different entries. Okay, how do you book multiple trades with different TPs? If there are way to do it, instead doing them all separately, it depends. If you have money, you can do partials because then you have a decent lot size. If you don't have money, you need to put different entries. Okay, 0.04 you cannot do partial. It's difficult for you to do partials. It's better for you to do 2 entries. When you press the button, you press twice. One you book TP1, the another one you keep open at break even. Okay, when you have more than 0.10, then it's worth to take partials. 0.50 is the best one, but if you have only 0.04, the best approach for you is to have 2 entries. You can have 2 entries at 0.02, and then one you start to book straight away at TP1, the another one you move your stop loss to break even. You protect your capital always, and if you have only 2 entries, it's easy to do on MetaTrader 5. If you have more entries, then you complicate yourself, okay? Because then you don't have time to do, then you need to do book operations. Book operations is close all the trades in one go, and closing losing trades, close profitable trades, you can do with your book operations.
Okay, Matheus. Runner is set. Let's go. Let's see what happens now.
Yeah, it's still selling. It's still selling.
Yeah, I've taken all of the profits. I've left one now to go to that bottom. But the fact is that my stop loss is 40 pips below or above my entry, whichever you want to go. So the worst thing is now is 40 pips profit. The best is 850 pips. 4100 I'll set the TP to.
Amazing.
Let's see. It doesn't matter. You can have fun, can't you? Yeah, once the profit's done, the worst is 40 pips. Great, thank you very much. Yeah. And this is about enjoying your trading. Profits have been made. Have 5 or 6 TPs. Thank you very much. It's 9 o'clock. Got plenty of time to do the rest. And so let's see what happens. It's always going to be reversals. And the worst is 40 pips. The best is 840 pips.
That's amazing. As you can see, we still having sells. If you refresh on the right time, you'll be in TP again and book those profits. Okay, don't wait for that retracement. Don't wait for get out, stopped out. Just book those profits before you go to stop loss or hard stop.
So as we said, this is on the 1 hour. It broke through those. There's 4 hours there, a lot of support. So it broke through that. It's reversing back a bit, which is only natural because it's hitting the day lows. So this is the chart here. That tells you the day's range. Yeah, 41.61, which is just hit there. So yeah, since the market started trading, that was the low point. Will it test it again? Quite probably.
Quite probably, because now you don't have anything holding, you know?
No.
It's not anything. If you go to 1 hour, 2 hours, a lot of news, as you just click on that, a lot of news today.
Yeah. So lots of inflation. This is all American news. The rest of the world's news is a waste of time, so you don't need to look at any of that nonsense. Nothing moves anything. Nobody cares what Australia's doing. So consumer sentiment. Yeah, there she is. That's the one. That's the day. Yeah. The lovely thing is I have a trading expert in my house that finished trading for the week, by the way, right? I think about 14% done by yesterday, I believe. So
let's book more profits. If you were on those trades, I hope so you book some more profits. I didn't have time to update. Let's go on the 1 minute. It's time to refresh again. Get ready for it. And as you can see, it's still a strong sell. You have the entry points. Let's go for it. The green candle is still going on the range that we're supposed to enter. Was not on the range yet when we press the button. Could be a retracement. Just be mindful of that, guys. That's why it's good for you to wait for the best entry possible. Retracing, just be mindful of that. You can use your hard stop or your stop loss, but put that straight away, okay? Because it's retracing, we never know. Protect yourself.
Vincent, it's not a matter of allowing you to do something. We have a system, and we just need to, abide by that. And the signal system that we employ actually costs money every time you click. We have to pay for that. There's a whole system behind it. I appreciate your position, but it's not something that we will allow. At the same time, as we don't charge for anything, we can't do that. We may have a free trial at some point, but contact me directly for that.
As you can see, it's retracing. Just be mindful of that. Have your stop loss. Have your hard stop. Don't keep chasing. And just wait for the best entry possible for you on that one, okay?
And there's always retracements. Yeah, there's always retracements. So you've got 10 minutes, so a little bit of buying. It's not strong at all. Look at the wicks on the top there.
Yeah.
So we've got 2 minutes till we push the button on the next setup. Yeah, reversing again.
Dropping. If you wait patiently, you place the trades at the right time on the top of that range, and you are in TP1 already, guys. Please move your stop loss. Give some room for the trades. Move your stop loss and book your TP1. Going for TP2 now. TP2. TP2 is going towards TP3. Move your stop loss to break even. Now is a risk-free trading, okay? Move your stop loss to break even. And if it's keep pushing, you'll be soon at TP3, okay? Getting back, that should be your protection. That was, we're moving the stop loss to break even. If you're not at break even, it's fine. You wait for the right moment to place that trade. It's going up. Nearly TP3 on that one, and it's going back. Should be your break even, not stop loss, not hard stop, break even, okay?
Absolutely.
And refresh again. If you refresh on the right time, as you can see, you can wait and place another sell. Wait because it's retracing, guys. It's still a strong sell, but it's retracing. Be mindful of that. But you can place another sell. Huge retracement. As you can see now, if you put your stop loss, was 10 pips for me from my stop loss. I put my stop loss. I didn't use the hard stop. The hard stop is still there if you're using the hard stop, but it's a retracement, guys. Just be mindful of that. Could be a change direction as well. We don't know if it's the bottom of the range.
So you need to be very careful. As Mateus says, there can be a change of direction.
Yeah.
And the overall picture is still bearish for the day. Big selling day today, but there will be a bottom at some point. And whilst we were, lightheartedly joking a little bit ago, the money's been made. As I said to you guys, got set a 40 pip profit stop loss, and you can just leave that. You can forget about it. Yeah, it'll take care of itself. It's not a trade that I'm really looking at even until it does something, and it's going to do one of those two things. It hits my stop loss. I've still got 40 pips in the bank, which is great. And if it goes and does a crazy thing of going all the way down, then so be it. And that's what trading becomes when you've got a bit of experience. I don't know, who's in the audience. I don't know whether you're experienced traders or you're just newbies, you're just starting out. I know Petra started with it recently and Kieran has got some experience. So the rest of you don't know who's on the call today, but that's what happens. That like anything, as a mentor of mine said, that when knowledge levels are low, anxiety is high. And when knowledge levels are high, anxiety is low. So we've got some knowledge now, and we're acquiring more knowledge every single day by spending 4 hours a day here with you guys. And all we do outside of that is talk about trading, right? So client meetings, we onboarded Kieran yesterday. I onboarded another couple of people, and we took some clients into our done for you trading system where it's all done for you. So we live and eat trading 5 days a week. We try and get some respite at the weekend if that works.
Sometimes works, sometimes not.
Yeah, sometimes works.
As you can see, we'll be able to refresh again. That's why we don't need to keep chasing, okay? Another 30 seconds and you'll be able to generate a new trading card.
I'm ready. Come on, where's that 920?
It's coming.
Selling 75% direction.
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't refresh yet. Just waiting.
I'm sorry. I think I went a little bit early. Now.
It's still a sell.
Yeah.
It's still a sell.
You got your entry points.
Wait for that best entry and go for it.
But be careful still. Yeah, let's not get over exuberance will kill us, right?
Yeah, because it could be a change direction as well now. It's going down. If you enter on the beginning of that range, it's going down now. You are on TP1. Book your TP1.
Yeah, I took that trade, Mateus.
Yeah, book your TP1 and move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. That can be a potential TP2, 3, 4, because we can come back to that bottom of the range, but it's still trying to push through it. Be mindful, book your profits and protect yourself, okay? TP2, we're still dropping. Your stop loss now is at break even. You're not putting yourself at risk, okay? Your stop loss.
Free trade.
Free trading now.
Free trade. Free trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, defined outcome. Free trade, defined outcome. You know what's going to happen. There's no unpredictability with what we're doing here. We're not in the guessing game. We're not in the feeling game. Yeah, we're in the scientific information technology game.
If we come back, it's break even. You're risk free. You don't have any issues on that trade anymore. If you booked more profits, amazing. If not, if we come back to the entry point, it's still great. You're doing the right thing. You put your break even. That went to GP2 straight away. I hope so. You booked some profits already. It's still hanging there.
It's trying to get past this point. There, went down to there, tried it again, and it may come back. And one of these times it will break through, or it'll just bounce off and do that.
Yeah, could be the bottom of the day, or could be just trying to push through it as well. We never know. We just press the button, book the profits, and we keep watching it.
It's done 1,000 pips exactly, almost. Yeah. 41.60, 42.60. So that's 1,000 pips, $100 movement in the market. So it may just stay within that range today.
As you can see, it's coming back now. Retrace and back again. Let's see. It's moving nice. But we will be able to refresh again in another 1 minute. You book your GP2s and you're still on the trade. You book your GP2s, we're still there. If you're at break even now, great. You're learning the skills, you learn how to protect yourself.
Yeah, that's very valuable, what you've just said there, Mateus. Whether you're taking TP1s, whether you're taking SLs, this is all experience for you guys. Okay? And whilst the gains may be small, over time they'll compound and become big gains. But the experience that you're getting, you can't buy that. You have to live through it. You have to go through it. That includes the losses, by the way, as painful as they are at the time.
Refreshing. Yeah, we're still selling. Still selling the green candle. Remember, when we have a green candle, you wait for the best entry, then you go for it. Okay, wait for the best entry, especially if we are selling is a green candle. You wait for that best entry, then you go for it. And next step, if you press the button, is to book your profits. If you put your stop loss already, is to prepare and taking care of your trading. Okay. If you're on the trade, if you press the button, next step, your stop loss. and then you just prepare to book your profits. It's going towards TP1. You're going towards TP1 now, guys. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even, okay? It could be a retracement now. It's still trying on that range. The best thing to do is book those profits and protect yourself. Don't wait for stop loss or hard stop, okay? We'll wait for TP1. For some of you, will be not TP1 exactly. But as you can see, the price is still on that range trying to push through it. We don't want that to break and you be on the trade, okay? Put your stop loss at break even and book your TP1. If it goes to TP2 now, you are break even, you are absolutely fine. You just book more profits. Okay?
Book more profits.
That's it.
Very narrow now, this range for the last 5 minutes. Not really done anything.
Yeah, that's why you need to be mindful as well, because it's trying to push through. If it breaks, can go up. If it breaks down, we come back all the way to the bottom of the range.
So put it on the 5 minutes now. Just gives you a zooming out perspective. Not so noisy.
As you can see, it's breaking through. If you have your break even, you're out. But you don't want to have your stop loss or hard stop now. You want to have your break even, okay? Have been talking about that. Could break and go for try to push through up. Will be a small retracement, but will take you out of your trade. And you want to be out at break even, not at stop loss, okay? And as you can see, time's flying. Another less than 1 minute. Let's refresh again.
So back on the 1 minute now on my chart. I think we may be neutral or at the next.
I still think it's a sell, but let's see. We just need to be mindful on that small range that is forming on the 1 minute, okay? It's still a sell. It's still a sell. But just be mindful of that range, okay? Wait for the best entry only and go for it. As soon as you're in profit, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Because we are on that range for a little while now. Those 5 minutes, we don't want to risk. That could be a breakthrough up. Okay, that's TP1. TP1 is on the bag. We are happy now. We move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Okay. If we go to the bottom of the range, will be nice. If we keep fighting there to go up or down, we are out at break even. We don't care anymore. That is risk-free trading. Okay. I know sometimes could be small profits, small pips, but that's all adds up on the end of the day. And then you just wait for TP3s like that, and you book more profits. TP3 now. You see the power of it, of protect your capital, book profit, protect protect your capital, book profit. You move your stop loss to break even, then time to time you will have TP2s, TP3s, TP4s, 5s, and then you book even more profit. But even though your stop loss now is at break even, okay?
You see the value of what Mateus is doing with you? He's trying to get you to break even all the time, so you have risk-free trading, or move your stop loss to TP1, so you can get the TP4s and TP5s when they're available. So if the worst case scenario is break even, you can't lose any money. Don't worry about the small profits that Mateus is talking about. Every blue trade that you close is getting you closer to your goal. And if you've got time, and I suggest you make time if you can, to trade for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 hours a day, whatever you want, then this system will work for you. It's the only system that works. You know, you get a lot of people like Kieran coming here saying, I followed this and none of the trade setups works. Because there's no narrative, there's no context to the information they're pushing out to you. They just say buy, sell, yeah. You don't understand anything. You're not getting an education, which is much more valuable than the profits are ever going to be. Believe me, right? So that's what we're trying to instill, trying to make you super profitable traders and actually enjoy it, right?
As you can see, the price came back to TP3 again. If you didn't book your profits, you had a chance to book those profits again. But right now, your stop loss should be at break even, okay? That is the way for you to protect yourself. We scalpers, we are in and out. If you want something more relaxed, go to the 1 hour, half an hour, or 50 minutes. Then you can refresh every half an hour or 1 hour. Right now we are in TP3. That trading is not pushing up. That is great to see. That is protecting yourself as well. And then we just need to be patient to refresh again. Look, another few seconds, another 40 seconds, so you'll be able to refresh and get a new trading card. Retracing, let's see if we go to the top of that range again, or if it's still dropping. For now, we're still at TP2, between TP2 TP3. It's not going further than that. Prepare yourselves, having your machine learning prepared, have your tech that will make you a lot of money prepared, and let's see, refresh and see where the market is going. You see the points, it's a green. We're waiting for the best entry, and you go for it. It's a sell, it's still a sell, okay? Just wait for the best entry now. It's a green candle. Wait for the best entry and go for it. As soon as you press the button, put your stop loss, okay? Protect your capital. Capital preservation is the key. Protecting your capital is the first thing you do. If you wait for the best range, now is the best entry point. Is getting there. Is retracing, as you can see, on the top of that range we had before. Make sure you have your stop loss, or make sure you have your hard stop. If you want to give more room for that trade, you can have your hard stop. It's going up again. For some of you will be a tiny stop loss. If you wait for the best range, that was nearly 72, and the stop loss was 72.50. As you can see, a very narrow range. And if you still have your hard stop, you're still on the trade, but I don't recommend you now. Could be a retracement. You need to protect yourself, okay? A small stop loss. We had plenty of TP3s, 4, 5s. We had plenty of TPs today, guys. It's very time to protect yourself. If you have your hard stop, you're still on the trade, okay?
So there's your 5 minutes. So as you can see, market has risen a little bit. So there's been some retracement. Whether it retraces, how far it retraces. So that if you look to the left now on the 5 minutes, it's kind of in this range here where my mouse is. Yeah, so looking up for liquidity before it starts coming down again. That's my guess. But we don't need to guess, remember? So we don't need to do anything, we just follow what the trade card's telling us. So trade card was selling.
Yeah.
So
$38. As you can see, we'll be able to refresh again. Just be patient. Time's flying. Every 5 minutes we can generate a new trading card. You don't need to rush at all, especially when you have a green candle and you're selling. Be patient. We talk about that. If it's a red candle and we are buying, the same thing. You need to be mindful and respect and wait only for the best entry. Okay, don't rush. And even if we are doing scalping, you have time to think about it. You have time to press the button and you have time to protect yourself. Okay.
Guys, can I have some feedback? How do you guys feel trading here with us? Because a lot of traders comment how relaxing it is following us and being here and being able to share trading. So would you put a note in the comments? How do you feel about, in terms of your anxiety levels and calmness? Is it a calm environment that we've created? Because if we haven't, then I'd like to create a calm environment. We don't need any excitement. Yeah, making money is boring and repetitive, and that's all we want to do, make it mechanical. So how do you guys feel about trading with us? Let us know. Love to hear your comments and thoughts. Share them with us. It's a little bit lonely to start talking to each other all the time.
Refreshing. Ready for action, guys?
Ready for action. I'm ready to test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on,
sell.
Let's go. 40. Sell.
As you can see, as you can see, the numbers are getting not too strong like before. Just be mindful of that as well. We are on the range. It's a green candle. Remember, green candle. Wait a little bit.
Yeah, don't enter for a sell on a green candle.
Yeah.
Simple rule.
Wait for the best entry. If you see it's trying to break it, I will wait. I will not place the trade yet. It's not a strong sell. I will be waiting to refresh again. I will not enter that sell. As you can see, it's breaking that point. I will be waiting, guys. That is the patience of the game as well. You can see the numbers, you can see the probability, and then you make your decision. As a green candle is breaking that point, I'm not enter that sell. I will be waiting for the next one. As you can see, it's going straight away towards stop loss, very narrow range. You can use your hard stop if you are on that trading. I'm not on that trading. I'm waiting patient for a strong number. That is the key as well. You have a powerful tool. Respect that tool, okay? Use wisely. We don't need, like Khan was saying on the beginning of the session, we don't need to press the button all the time. We need to be patient sometimes.
100%. And if you're here for the first time, really want to thank you. And if you could do us one favor, which is subscribe to our channel and like it, then you'll get notifications when we're on the air every time we're about to go. And it really helps us grow, spread the message. And it tells YouTube that you guys actually like this content, and we'll send the message out further and further and further. So, you know, we let's see if we can hit 450 subscribers in this session. You guys can help make that happen. So, and even if you're here every day and you're not subscribed, please do so. It does us a huge favor. We do all of this for free. So that's the all that we ask of you is do that for us. Hit that subscribe button and like these videos that we put out, so that we have a situation whereby reality, you know, this is reality trading. This is not, you know, speculative. This is not guesswork. And we want to work with you. And that's all we ask of you, is to just like and subscribe. And if you could do that, I'd be very, very grateful. Matthias will be even more grateful.
Sure, for sure. Okay, guys, another 1 minute. As you can see, is still going on that range. Is still going up. You don't want to be chasing every single of them. Yeah. Even if that price drops all the way to the bottom now and go to TP 100, I don't care. I'm following the rules. I make sure I protect myself first. Okay, protect your capital. Capital preservation is the key, and then making the profits will come after that.
Good trading. The profits will come. Don't chase the money.
As you can see, the prices drop. It went to the stop loss. If you have been placing that trade, went to stop loss. It's forming another range, as you can see here, between the 72 and the 80. Let's see if we can break that. We carry on going down. Yeah, it's going down. That will be TP1. Strong. That will be TP1 if you have your hard stop. But we're not chasing. And now is a sell. Now is a sell. Okay. Check, refresh, check the entry points, and now is a sell. Good numbers, red candle. Now you can sell and book your TP1, please. As soon as you can, we're booking your TP1. As you can see, that sell, if you press the button straight away, if you refresh, you went straight away to TP1. But 73% TP1, and we reached straight away. That was fast, but because we're selling, you can see the candle is selling. You can see the numbers on the trading card, strong numbers. You press the button and you sell. Okay, don't overthink. Press the button and go for it. You need to think when we have a green candle and we are selling. On those times, you need to really think about where the market is going. But when it's red and the numbers are very strong, go for it. Because that could be a TP1 straight away. You don't have time to overthink. Okay, now you book your TP2. Book your TP2. The candle was a strong sell. We breaking that. If we break that 66, 67 now, it's a potential TP3. It's a potential TP3, okay? Book your TP2, move your stop loss to break even. Now you're risk free, break even, okay? Let's see if we can break that 67. Between 66, 67, if we break it, we'll be going towards TP3, TP4.
Yeah, I'm risk free on that trade now, Matthias.
That's good because
yeah,
because we are on that range. Can you see the range on the 1 minute? Yeah. We just need to break now 67, 66. Then we can go strong for TP3, 4. If it's not, that can come back to 41.80 again because it's respecting the range. That's why it's important for you to book the profits when you have the money on the table, okay? Scalping in and out.
And when I do set my risk free, I set it just slightly below so that I'll make a few pips. So the spread and the cost of the trade doesn't mean I hit a small loss. That actually stopped me out, but I still made a few quid. So it doesn't matter. Yeah. So it's still a profitable trade, very small profit, but protected it all the time. Because like Matthias says, that can go all the way back up to 80 again. We're not in that game.
Because it's respecting the, if it comes back there, it's just, you can see the range is in front of you. Okay.
Yeah.
You can see the range.
That's what it's done. As soon as it went up there, so it's been here since 9:15.
As you can see, it's going back to the range.
Did exactly that.
We got your TP2 and be grateful and wait for the next one. Wait for the next one.
2 minutes.
Why you're not placing buy if you can see the range? Because I'm using the trading cards. I just received one message. Why we don't place a personal message? Why we don't buy if it's you can see the range? Why you don't buy on the bottom?
Can I say something to you?
Yeah.
Don't overthink it. Follow the system. Whoever that sent that message, follow this. Because number one is you can't be on the swings and the roundabouts.
Yeah.
Okay. Range is very tight, so we can't be doing everything all the time.
No.
So, and we have a system. We follow the system. It's that simple. Okay. There is a game plan there, and this thing can outthink all of us. Yeah, or everybody that's on the call today, our combined brain power doesn't equal 1/10 of what this thing is capable of. So I've stopped completely questioning it. And generally, to be honest with you, if I'm following somebody, I don't question them. Either follow them or I don't follow them. It's that simple for me. Yeah, you're either in or you're out.
Still a sell. Not as strong as before. Just be mindful of that. I'm not placing that one now. If it goes all the way to the top, I will think about it. If it's still on that range, great. I will miss that one for now. Okay. We had plenty of TPs. The market is still playing on that range. You can see the numbers. They are not like strong like before. I will wait in now. If we had a very strong sell before that, I will go straight away. But because the numbers are not getting stronger, I will wait, patient. If you want to go for that, you are on the range, make sure you put your stop loss straight away and make sure you book your profits as soon as you can. Okay. That's
I'm in that only trade I took that.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
If you put your stop loss, you're absolutely fine.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's still on the range. It's a good entry point if you want to re-enter. And then protect yourself. Put that stop loss. It's a tiny stop loss. It's not massive. It's good for you because then you don't over risk your capital. And as soon as you're in profit, it's a potential, it's a great trade as well, because that if it drops again to 64 on that range, you'll be absolutely booking nice profits. And it's happening. You are in TP1 already.
Yeah, I got 30 pips.
Yeah, you're in TP1.
Still in it. Yeah. Stop loss to movie, break even. Risk-free trade.
Well done. You disappear, Khan. Your camera is playing with you today.
Camera loves it. It only does it when I'm not looking,
Yeah.
So there you go. Because I can't actually see myself. I have the chart, so then I can't see myself. I don't really need to see myself, but I have the chart, and I think, great, if I'm trading, obviously. So it's reversing slightly now. So this could play this game all day now. This tight little range we could be sat here all day that it could be doing this.
I come back now, guys. I have someone on the door, Khan. Just 1 sec.
Okay, no problem. So we're in the last 5-10 minutes of our live broadcast today. We'll take one more trade. Oh dear, Karen. So yesterday's gains were some of them was given up. That's okay. So you're learning. It's early days, only day 2, and watching is one of the best things you can do. Even if you're not trading, come and join us. If you're not ready to trade, join us, because you will learn a lot. And the other thing is that if you hit a stop loss or 2, then time to take a breather, walk away, go and have a cup of tea. The market will still be here. Yeah? So if you carry on trading, we call it revenge trading, because your brain's thinking, I want to get back the losses that I've made. Don't work like that, right? You tend to, if you have a losing streak, you tend to have a losing streak, right? And it happens. So, it's all part of the process, all part of the learning curve of what goes on. And then the market changes every single day. Some days, very difficult market. And some days, it's absolutely fine. So, today been a really good day for me. Had about 7 or 8 profitable trades, maybe more. And, really enjoy the trading. Sometimes I don't trade, Karen. Some mornings I don't take a trade. Yesterday I was at the Tesla garage, as you know. Didn't take any trades. Coming back again. Nice profit now for me.
It's still a strong sell. Now
Yeah.
it's a strong sell. As you can see the numbers, if you refresh now, you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see the entry points.
Yeah,
And
we're
then-
taking our last one for the morning. Yeah, it's even a stronger sell than the last that we pulled down.
Yeah. That's I like to see when the sell is building confidence. That means could be a potential next hour selling as well. Just be mindful, we are changing the time now, change the hour. Could be a retracement as well. We always taking care on the hour. We are mindful on those change of hours, okay? But apart from that, you can go for it. If you put in your stop loss, if you playing with the stop loss and hard stop, you protect. That is the main thing. Protection is the key. And then next step, when you put your stop loss, is taking the profits, okay? And move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. If you learn how to do that, you'll be absolutely fine. Sometimes you will reach break even, part of the game, but why the break even is there on the first place? Okay, now you need to ask yourself, why I'm putting break even? Is to protect yourself. is to be at risk-free trading. Okay.
Kieran, what we'll do is we'll get Matthias to run a little session on that. Matthias, if you make a note, if you can demonstrate TP5 and partials and all the things that you do on it, maybe we can share a screen at some point, or you can do a video for us.
Yeah,
it'd be valuable. It'd be very valuable. What we could do is
you cannot do partials yet, Kieran. You have 0.04. I replied to you before. You cannot do partials. It's very hard for you to do partials. You need to have 0.10, 0.50 in order to go and do partials.
There you go. You have your answer. Grow your account or put some more money in, and then
grow your account or put more money, but don't start to play with small money and think you can do partials and things like that. Enter twice. I told you told me you are 0.04. Enter twice, 0.02, 0.02. Okay, enter twice, then book your profits on TP1, move your stop loss to break even on the another one as soon as you can. You close one and keep the another one open if you want to go for TP2, TP3, TP4. As simple as that. You don't need to overcomplicate. Make it simple. I had people asking the same questions many times. That's having the straight answer for you, because that is the way you can protect your capital, and that's the way you can grow your account. Okay.
Beautiful.
And as
so
you can see
I'm at
now,
60 pips now, Matthias, on that trade.
Yeah, it's nearly TP2 on that one.
Yeah.
Nearly TP2. That is the last trade of the session, nearly TP2. And Kieran, that is the answer for you. If you have a small capital, you cannot do partials. Don't overthink about partials. You can. It's a lot of videos on YouTube. I spend a lot of times doing one-to-one with most of you. It's a lot of work behind it. We have a lot of videos on YouTube. You can go and see how you can do partials on YouTube, on MetaTrader 5. You don't need to learn that yet because you don't have the capital to do that. Place 2 trades, one at TP1, another one at break-even. Make it simple.
Nice and simple, doesn't it? As well, you're not struggling then.
Make it simple. It's scalping. We are in and out. Okay. Yeah. I'm only hitting TP1, then I close trades. Then if it goes further, I miss the trade. Okay. I just explained to you what you need to do. If you put in 0.04 in one trade, you need to open 2 trades. One 0.02, another one 0.02. One you close at TP1, you're protecting yourself, you're booking the profits. The another one you keep open at break even. Then you can go for TP2, TP3, TP4. If come back to break even, that's it. You protect yourself. Yes? I hope so. That clarifies for you.
100%. That's beautiful, Matthias.
I want to be straight because we spend a lot of hours here, 4 hours a day, and we're spending a lot of time, and we want to make that course practical as well. You can answer those questions. You can ask those questions. We can answer it straight away here. Okay.
70 pips now. 70 pips for me on that trade.
Amazing. It's still going. It's still
it's going
already. If it retraces, you are at break even on that one.
Worse. It's not break. Yeah. I think it's coming through, but let's see. What do I know?
That's it. We scalpers in and out, guys. In and out. Okay. Make it simple. Don't overcomplicate. You don't need to learn how to jump if you're still walking. Okay. If you're still learning how to walk, you don't learn how to jump. Go step by step. Make it simple and book your profits. That's the main thing here. Protect your capital and book your profits. Okay, let's go for it. 10 o'clock. We will see each other at 1 p.m. again.
We'll be back at 1. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much, and hope you've been successful. Hope you've learned something. There's a lesson in there. I'll leave these couple of trades open because I think they're going to drop the market, and if it doesn't, I'm at 40 pips on profit on the one, and the other one I'll move my stop loss to below break even, so as to be profitable on that as well. You're welcome, Kieran, anytime. As you know, we are committed to this. We will keep turning up. Right? We'll keep showing up every single session that we do. There's no end to what we're doing now. We love what we do. Absolutely enjoy meeting all you guys. And if you're not with us, come and join us. It's completely free. Come and subscribe to the channel, like it, message me. You want to stick my number up there, Mateus? So
yeah, just
here's my
sec.
WhatsApp. Yeah, screenshot that. Contact me, like Kieran did the other day. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, lovely, lovely.
TP3.
85 tips.
Yeah.
TP3.
That's TP3, officially TP3 finishing the session. Let's wait 2 minutes. You will see TP4 on that one. It's retracing. no. TP3, guys. Book your profits. And that's it.
Cheers, guys. See you, Mateus.
Bye.
We're busy now. Cheers. Bye.